Today we are going to see how to take backup of all the data stored in one region into another region. Today I'm going to launch an instance in one region and I'm going to add some data to EBS volume. Then think of a scene where the entire region is collapsed. So instead of losing all the important data, we can take backup, that is snapshot of data stored in it, and we can move those data to different region. So let's see how to do it. So the first region I'm here is United States, North Virginia. I'm going to launch an instance. I'm going to name my instance as Win1. I'm going to select the OS, Windows. I'm going to select the instance as T3 micro. Key pair, I'm going to choose the existing key pair. I'm going to edit the network settings. I'm going to give the availability zone as US East 1A. I'm going to select the existing security group. Okay, here I'm going to configure two volumes, disk 0 and disk 1. I'm going to store data in disk 1. So I'm going to add new volume of 2 GB. Now I'm going to launch the instance. Wait until it's 3 past 3 status check. Meanwhile, I'm going to change the region and I'm going to launch an instance there. Let's go to Mumbai. Right click, open link in new tab. So we are in Mumbai region, Mumbai. So here I'm going to launch an instance. Win2, Windows 2020 previous T3 micro keypad. Already I have created a keypad for this region. Availability zone as AP South 1A. So yes, with 30 GB, I'm going to launch an instance. Okay. Now in North Virginia, let's refresh it. Let's wait for a few minutes. Now it's 3 past 3 check passed. So I'm going to choose this instance, connect, RDP client, get password, upload private key field. Decrypt password, copy the public DNS, open remote desktop, paste it here, click connect. Username as administrator and the password. Okay. Yes. Now I'm opening the virtual machine in North Virginia. So now let's check the volume. Disk management.msc. Open this. Okay, it is asking to initialize a disk 1. Give OK. So disk 1 is online. Now I'm going to create this unallocated volume into new simple volume. Next, I'm going to allot a letter. C will not be available because already C is there. So D, next, finish. So now I'm going to store the data in this volume. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC and you can see two volumes. Open the volume, store some data. Now I'm going to paste the image file. So now we are going to connect to the instance that we launched in Mumbai. Let's minimize this. Mumbai, I'm going to connect this instance. Connect multi client. Get password. Public DNS. Again, search for remote desktop. Paste a public DNS. Give connect. Give a username. Copy the password. So now here we have only 30 GB volume. So let's check it. So we can see 30 GB volume. I'm going to North Virginia region, going to instances, and I have selected the instances. Go to storage. Which volume I want to take backup, I'm going to choose that volume. Select it, create snapshot. Description, this is the name of your snap. So snap 1, create snapshot. So yes, let's go to snapshots. Wait until the status is changes from pending to completed. So now we can see the status is completed. Now we are going to copy the snapshot, select this one, in action, copy snapshot. We are going to copy this to the destination region of AP South 1, that is Mumbai. Then everything is in Snap 1. From US East 1, we are going to copy it to the AP South 1, that is the destination region. Give copy snapshot. Now go to Mumbai region. Go to snapshots. Now we can see that snapshot here. Wait until it gets completed. Now the status is completed. So choose the snap. In the action, we can see create volume from snapshot. Click this one. Select the volume type, CP2 GB. So we need to be careful in choosing the availability zone. Okay, AP South 1A. Now I'm going to create volume. Go to volumes. So now we can see two volumes here. Now attach this volume. Action. Attach volume. Instance is Win2 that is running. Device name XPD. Attach volume. So now we can see this volume in the remote desktop. So let's check the data is there or not. Go to this PC, new volume. So yes, we have the data in this region, that is AP South 1A. This is how we need to take backup of data from one region to another region. Launch an instance, create a snapshot, then copy the snapshot to another region, create a volume, then attach the volume, then you can see the data.